As the co-chairman of the organizing committee, I welcome you all to the 25th Annual Conference of Indian Society of Pediatric Neurosurgery and the continuing medical education program of the International Society of Pediatric Neurosurgery to be held in Bhubaneswar. A child is not a small adult, hence approach to a pediatric patient is much different. Diagnosis is difficult as the small children often lack insight to make any complaint. Investigations are difficult as children may not cooperate. Some investigations may be harmful for children. Anesthesia for children is too difficult. Drugs should be measured perfectly and intraoperatively the child should be monitored very minutely. Pediatric population as such comprises of 40% of total population. In neurosurgery, the number of pediatric patients is also high. Common brain lesions which require surgery include trauma, infections, congenital malformations and neoplasia. Traumatic brain injury in children is commonly due to household accidents, fall in the school or playground or an road traffic accident. In infection category, brain abscess secondary to cyanotic heart disease and CSOM is frequently seen. Tuberculosis in the form of tuberculous meningitis or tuberculoma in our children is rampant. In congenital group, meningoencephalocele, Tidekar syndrome, Arnold-Chiari malformations, hydrocephalus are only few of the conditions. Tumors of the brain are second commonest malignancy in children. Posterior fossa tumors such as medulloblastoma and ependymoma are more frequent. In supratentorial compartment, craniopharyngioma, PNET, choroid plexus papilloma are common types. Spine lesions which require surgery are atlantoaxial dislocations and other various types of benign and malignant tumors of the spine. Lately, the advantages of surgery in epilepsy is being realized more and more. The disease, the investigations and the treatment all can affect the developing nervous system. Besides physical nursing care of the child, psychological support is also vital for better result of treatment. In this conference, the discussion will be focused on various basic and advanced treatment strategies in the pediatric neurosurgery. I hope all the faculties and postgraduates of neurosurgery, neurology and other allied specialties like pediatrics, pediatric surgery, neuroanesthesiology, neuropathology, neurology and neuroradiology will benefit from this conference. Import of advanced technology and implementation for the poor people in a developing state like ours is certainly a challenge. I pray Lord Jagannath to give us direction and strength in this endeavor. I conclude this with the prayer of the Lord. Kadachit kalindi tata vipina sangita taralo muda veer nari badana kamala sada madhubaha rama sambho brahma marapati ganeshar pado Jagannath Swami Narayana Nanapathagami Bhavatme. With this verse, which is written by Sri Chaitanya Deva, we pray that Sri Jagannath Deva be the object of my vision.